I am ordinary, and it's okay, and it's wonderful. I am ordinary. I am organic, and it's okay, and it's wonderful. I am ordinary. It takes great courage and presence and confidence and security and self-esteem just to be in my ordinary, my organic, ordinary me. Just little, ordinary me. And just to feel how special that is, that I can drop all the pretense of hiding, of pretending, of trying to look spectacular, and just be ordinary me. And if I can just love me as just ordinary, in the face of criticism, even the criticism that may pop through my head and in my cells going, ooh, I feel embarrassed, I feel self-conscious. If I can just sit more in that discomfort and just be okay and come back to, I just love myself for being ordinary. To have the courage just to be ordinary. To have the courage just to be ordinary. That is extraordinary. To have the courage to just be ordinary and just love myself as ordinary. When you can just love yourself, go in that place just and be okay with just being ordinary. On social media, 0 likes, few likes, and just nothing notable that you can judge as more special or less special, or more extraordinary or less ordinary. When you could just be in that place of it's just me, and get that initial niggle of just, ooh, and just breathe in and just take in deep in my heart. I love and accept myself, even though I feel ordinary. Deep in my heart, I love and accept myself, even though I feel ordinary. So that's the sad part of the ordinary. One more time. We're going to, deep in my heart, I love and accept myself, even though I feel just ordinary. And so by doing this is an act. I am loving myself for just being ordinary. Because I can do that, I just know that I'm taking that in. When I do this more and more regularly, I've been doing this for a few years now. So it's really built inside of me. And I can recognize, oh, the sun is just beautiful. I can recognize, it's amazing that I'm doing this for myself. It's amazing, I love myself just for the fact that I have the courage to love myself for just being ordinary, just small little old me, ordinary. And because I can do that, I love myself. And so now it shifts from a sad place of ordinary to a wholesome, fulfilling place, a restful, a confidence, an at ease place of ordinary, at peace, a confidence, at rest, ordinary. So deep in my heart, I love and accept myself, knowing that I am just ordinary me. And then we switch hands. Deep in my heart, I love and accept myself, knowing that I am just ordinary me. And one more deeper into that, knowing that I am authentically me. Because when I'm just ordinary me, and no defenses, and I love myself, then I'm authentic me. So switching it. Deep in my heart, I love and accept myself, knowing that I'm just me. Deep in my heart, I love and accept myself, knowing that I am just me, authentic me, ordinary me. And I'm me, and I love myself. I love myself. I love myself. Just ordinary me. Nothing special to show you. Just here. Just here. That's all. And I love myself. And that's extraordinary. If you want to call it a judgment, This is extraordinary. Witnessing myself, loving myself for just being ordinary. It's extraordinary. And I know that we are all capable of this. You are capable of this. Loving yourself just for being you. Ordinary you, just as you are. No pretending, no striving, just as you are. Take that in, breathe that in, just ordinary you. You don't have to pretend. You don't have to talk if you don't want to talk. You can just sit there and just breathe. And just breathe. And just breathe. That's all. When you can be in this space, that is special. That is so special. That is divinely special. That is special as the entire universe. It is a fundamental special. It is a specialness that is eternal. It's eternal. You are so special in your ordinary organic you. Just you. Lifting away all the pretenses of hiding and pretending. Just you. Amazing you. And just love yourself. That's what ultimately infuses the knowing and feeling of specialness. This is how specialness, being so special and being ordinary, become one and the same. You're so special just because you are ordinary, because you can love yourself for being ordinary. That is true specialness, integrated down to the bone, down to the center of the core of your being, down to something that will outlast eternity. That is the true specialness and ordinary become one. When you can recognize this, that's extraordinary. So we now have specialness, so special, and being ordinary, and extraordinary being one and the same. Can you think of that? How about that? We've already brought unity. Being special, being ordinary, and extraordinary are one and the same. How about that? Thank you, you. You, very special person, so capable of being extraordinary in your ordinariness. And that is what specialness, authentic specialness, loving, rich specialness that goes, yay, you. That's what it's all about. Thank you, you. Thank you for showing up. You have a wonderful day.